This particular work called, the title is Laughing Behind the Cloud. Here, like, I'm talking about multi-layered meanings. Like, so if you see, like, suddenly you remember that something is visible and something is not, like something behind the cloud. It's as similar as like when I talk about cloud. So I talk about history. Even in history, whatever you get, like in excavation or whatever, you get the whole history in bits and pieces.
इसमें अगर ध्यान से देखें तो एक दीवार जैसी है ना, तो इसको मैंने एक पहाड़ का रूप दिया है, लेयर बाय लेयर। तो एक पहाड़ के ऊपर विचार कर रहा है क्योंकि ऊपर आसमान है, तो जो दूरदर्शिता होती है ना, दूर देखने की कोशिश, तो मतलब क्षितिज के उस पार देखने की कोशिश कर रहा है। वो विचार है कि मैं कहाँ तक जा सकता हूँ।
It's one of my favorite stories because I feel that it has an existential layer to it where you also interact with nature and you learn from birds, and it makes you sort of search for this oneness in all things. And for me, that's the essence of the story. So I've taken two moments, the starting part of the story, the beginning and the end. And in the beginning, when the birds are gathering, I've chosen to put as my Hoppu bird as the Sufi saint. Is inspired from a Sufi saint, woman Sufi saint called Rabia, and she has a flower opening up from her heart, which is that a mother is open to all kinds of questions and dilemmas and quirky things from her children, and shall guide them in the process of finding themselves. And the last one depicts a moment of absolution, a moment of blending in with the source, where the separation between you and the source sort of fades away and you morph as this one thing.
What I found very exciting was about actually also the imagery of the bird, and how every painter decided to choose whatever bird. And also what I really like in the exhibition is the different styles. That's more folk art, also next to very contemporary art and very conceptual art, so that's very exciting.
तरित झेणत झम तरित झेण झम तरित झेणत झम तरित किड़तक झम तरित झेणत झम तरित झेण झम तरित झेणत झम तरित किड़तक झम तरित झेणत झम तरित झेण झम तरित झेणत झम तरित किड़तक झम तरित झेणत झम तरित झेण झम तरित झेणत झम तरित किड़तक झम तरित झेणत झम.
I really connect with Bhajju Shyam. Personally, I really want to own one of his pieces ever in my life. So that's my thing. Then one thing I figured out that Parvati Baul is also an artist. Like, she is a singer, and I have seen her live performing so many times, and it's just so overwhelming. But she's also an artist. Like, she also paints. That's something I got to know today. That was really nice.
The exhibition firstly is phenomenal. All the different valleys have been curated amazingly, and I just think the way that the dance and the entire experience that the dance actually brought forward was a great marriage between the fine arts and the performing arts firstly, and then the way the dancers actually told the stories between all the different valleys. I think it's interested me about a little, like, way more about the Conference of the Birds and what it actually is and what it actually means.
The performance touched me big time. The chariot rolling, the Kathak, the Odissi dance, the music behind, I just got to know that it's an original composition. So you can figure out the effort that has been put behind the dance form. I appreciate from the core of my heart the dancers. The concept of traveling from for you and I, it's a cabin to cabin, but not for the birds. They are traveling. They're traveling, they're galloping from one room to another. They're taking you along with. Why can't we go with the birds actually in real life?
And this is a beautiful exhibition. We're delighted to have partnered with Ojas Art, to really have led on making the exhibition happen. Then there's Yuva Ekta, our partner in India, and such an important story, the mythology of South Asia, of climate change, of sustainability, and the metaphor of the story is so apt for our times.
Well, I was very keen to see what the exhibition that had been curated, and because I'd heard so much about the process that you all had been following in different places that you had gone and worked with various communities, I was very keen to see what had resulted here. And it was amazing to see the performance and the way the dancers interacted with the paintings and with each other. It was absolutely spectacular, and this collection is really incredible. Some of the biggest names in arts that you've brought together, and what a fabulous show, truly.